The road to affluence, my closing message. This journey isn't just about sales, it's about building a life of affluence. I'm recapping my week 1 to 4 summary, which is belief leading to system, leading to automation, and leading to monetization. In week 1, we started with belief, the mindset that work begins within. Before tools or tactics, we build faith in possibility because without belief, no system can save you. Belief is the seed, strategy is the soil. In week 2, we build system, structured way. That is, system is a structured way to turn passion into process. We learned that consistency beats talent when guided by a system. That's how you move from random hustle to predictable progress. That week 3 was about automation. That is, working smarter, not harder. We embrace AI tools, email sequences, and funnels to multiply results. Automation frees time so you can focus on creation and connection, not constant promotion. Finally, week 4 taught monetization. That is how to turn structure and automation into stable income. The message was clear. You don't chase money, you build systems that attract it repeatedly. That's the real road to affluence. That is belief, system, automation, and monetization working as one. So, encouraging faith and strategy balance. We're talking of power of dual strength here. Real success isn't built on faith alone or strategy alone. It's the balance between the two. Faith gives you the courage to start, but strategy keeps you consistent when emotion fade. Faith fuels the mind, strategy directs the steps. Faith tells you it's possible, strategy tells you how to do it. Faith keeps you calm when result delays, strategy ensures you are moving in the right direction. When you are weak, when you walk in both, your confidence becomes unshakable. Success isn't an accident. Every successful athlete, creator, or entrepreneur stand on two legs, that is faith and structure. Faith opens the door, but structure keeps it open. Progress lives with both, it flows naturally. As you continue your journey, don't just pray for results, prepare for them. Build, learn, test, adjust. Believe deeply, plan wisely, act daily. That's the formula for divine and digital success. Faith in motion. Join me inside the AI income system. It's your turn to build freedom. Subscribe to this channel. Click the link below. See you in the next video. Thank you.